Are your Geico insurance premiums feeling a little hefty? Let's dive into how you can snag the very best rates possible, saving you serious cash on your car insurance first. Let's talk about the factors that influence your Geico quote, things like your driving history. That means any accidents or speeding tickets, and the type of car you drive will significantly impact your price. Next, it's crucial to understand that the amount of coverage you choose plays a massive role. Picking the lowest coverage is tempting, in the belief it'll save cash, but it might not protect you fully in case of an accident. Consider your needs and the levels of liability and collision and comprehensive coverage that fit you best. Find a balance between price and protection. Now for the practical steps to get these rates down. The easiest thing is to always compare prices. The Geico website offers rate comparisons, but it is also useful to compare quotes from other companies. Additionally, are you eligible for any discounts? Review Geico's website fully, as they provide a variety of discounts. Finally, improving your driving habits is the most long-term savings plan. Avoid tickets, drive safely, and you'll likely see your rates decrease over time. Following these steps can unlock outstanding rates and put some extra money back in your pocket. Subscribe for more money-saving tips.